Hey, Camry and Layden, back with our book on butterflies. We're going to take a look as we're echo reading and see if we see any words inside of words. So if you look at these three words, do you notice a small word in a bigger word? What I'm talking about, hoping you might notice, is this in insects. So if you will let me read first, and then the second time you can echo with me. Butterflies are insects. Butterflies are insects. Alright, we've got a lot of words on this page. But if you look at this one right here that's highlighted, do you see a small word that you know in it? I was hoping maybe you might notice at. Maybe then even hat. And if you look down here at caterpillars, you can see that same at. And if you put the C with it, you actually see cat there. Alright, get ready to echo after me. Butterflies hatch from eggs. Whoops, let's try that again. I accidentally clicked on that word there. Butterflies hatch. Butterflies hatch from eggs. From eggs. They begin life. They begin life as caterpillars. As caterpillars. Alright, on this page, looking back at that word caterpillars again, we see that word at and then the word cat. Do you see another at? Hopefully maybe you saw it right next door in the next word. We see at and eat. Alright. You can read with me that second time. Caterpillars eat. Caterpillars eat leaves. Leaves all day long. All day long. They grow quickly. They grow quickly. Alright. I want you to take a look at this word. It's outgrow. Do you notice or do you hear some words inside that word? Outgrow. Hopefully you heard out. And we have that word grow. We actually have a compound word there. Outgrow to make the whole word outgrow. Alright, we're going to echo this again. Caterpillars outgrow. Caterpillars outgrow their skin, and shed it many times. Many times. I also hope that you had noticed that word and there. And it. Alright, let's see about this one. Do you notice some small words you know in this before we read? Yes, hopefully you noticed that word a and that word it. Maybe this word is. Alright, let's get ready to echo. A full-grown caterpillar forms a shell around its body. Around its body. It is called a chrysalis. A chrysalis. Alright, so if we look on this page, we see that word the. Do you see the word the? It's on there twice. We've got it right here and right here. Alright, let's echo it. Its body changes. Its body changes inside the chrysalis. Inside the chrysalis. The caterpillar becomes a butterfly. Becomes a butterfly. Did you notice when we read this that we have becomes? Becomes. Another compound word. Did you notice any small words here before we read? Hopefully you notice that the, and then maybe you see the of. What about out? All right, let's echo. Soon the butterfly pushes out of the chrysalis, All right, ooh. Do you see that word it on this page? I see it a couple of times. You see that word it? We have it right here with the capital letter to start the sentence. And we have it again. And we even see it in its. All right, let's echo. It waits for its wet wings to dry. Then it can fly. All right. Any words you notice here? Hopefully you saw that A and. All right, let's echo it. Butterflies have a narrow body. And 4 wings. And do you know what that word narrow means? What it means it has a narrow body? This part's its body. Let's see what it tells us that word means. It means it's not wide. So narrow means skinny. It's not wide. Alright guys, that'll be it for today. And we'll look at the rest of the book in our next video.